So you are a new real estate agent who just got into the business and wondering if you can make it to the six figures in your first year. Yes, it's completely possible. In this video, we'll be discussing on the strategies of how you can get to the six-figure mark real quick, so stick around. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Nitin from Qualified Agent Leads, and we help real estate agents grow their business by additional 200K in GCI per year through video ad campaigns. We are currently offering a 10-day free trial of our digital accelerator program. So if you're interested to learn more, you can book a call with our team by going to our website, qualifiedagentleads.com. All right, so you got your real estate license. You wanted to run a business, wanted to escape 9 to 5 rat race. But where are the clients? There are a couple of ways that you can get clients in your first year being a realtor. First, run free campaigns on Facebook Marketplace. It's literally free and can generate over 50 plus qualified leads every single month without spending a dime. You can target buyers, sellers through our VIP home buyers campaign. You'll create a campaign in one place and replicate that in various Facebook buy sell real estate groups in your city and community. That way, your campaign gets more eyeballs. Now, I created a separate video on step by step on how to set that up. Check out my other video. You can find the link above or in the description below. So all you need to do is get some nice pictures of homes in your area, follow the steps in my video, share the campaign to various buy-sell groups, and wait for the leads to reach out to you via Messenger. Now, when those leads reach out to you asking about a home, you can tell them that, hey, this one is sold, but I have a few similar options available. What's the best phone number that you can provide so that I can send you more details? Once you get their phone number, bam, you can text the lead, start the conversation, and eventually set face-to-face appointment. One of our agents in the program got $40,000 in GCI with this approach in just 7 days. So it definitely works. Secondly, you need to start building your social media presence. You need to start posting content on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Imagine having hundreds of buyers, sellers watching your content weekly, getting educated on buying and selling home in your area, market trends. Now, when the time comes to actually buy, sell, who will they reach out? Any random realtor or a realtor whose videos they have been following and enjoying? But it takes time and massive effort to build an organic audience. So key thing here is consistency. Keep posting one video per week on all the platforms. Thirdly, since you're just beginning, you can reach out to your family and friends. You can literally look at your phone book, contacts, or your contacts on social media and let them know that you have taken courses to study real estate and you have got a license. You can literally help them when they're buying or selling. I know it's easier said than done because many of us don't feel comfortable reaching out to friends and family asking them for a favor. So if you're someone in that category, you can move on to my next technique, which does not require you to reach out to your sphere of influence and will help you build a predictable and scalable business worth 200K GCI per year. Now, the easiest way out there to scale your business is to run Facebook advertising. Now, I know there are tons of content available on different platforms and from different gurus who claim to be experts in this area, but most of the stuff they're teaching right now doesn't work in this market. Now, as part of our company, we have our proprietary video campaigns that helps our agents get to $200,000 additional per year. Through our program, you'll be generating 200 leads per month through our proven video campaigns that only cost $3 per lead. On an average, you'll convert at 1%, which means 2 closed deals per month. So if we take $10,000 per closed deal, you're looking at $20,000 in GCI per month. So for 12 months, you're looking at $240,000 in GCI. Now, this is the easiest and quickest way to get into real estate business if you have some cash to invest. Now, our program is a high ticket program and we've only worked with serious agents who are willing to take action and are consistent in their efforts. So if you don't have cash, that's fine. Get few clients through our free methods, which I described previously. And then once you're ready to scale, then reach out using the contact information in the description below. But if you're someone who is interested to talk more, we are offering a 10-day free trial where you can try our services for absolutely free. Absolutely no risk and commitment. You can also visit our website qualifiedagentleads.com, watch a quick training video, and also see case studies and testimonials of the agents who have benefited from the program and decide for yourself if this is something for you. You can book a call with the team by clicking the button which is just below the video training. We'll see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.